It's time for you.
Simba.
All right, moving now into
Well, we're making a movie, honey.
junior small.
Is that flash annoying?
Third place with a score of 261
Look.
points is act number 17, Boogie Shoes. Second place with a score of 268 points is act number 18, Fix You. And ladies and gentlemen, the highest scoring junior small group with a score of 279.5 points is act number 20, Angels and Demons.
Oh, yeah. I know. Yeah.
I'm very proud of myself. I'm proud of my staff, and I'm proud of the girls. I had to put a winning number back on the stage. Coming off of a national victory, can't rest on your laurels. So we did it. The girls went out there. They were beautiful. It was a great number, and we won again.
You know, I think the girls were amazing, and I think that dance was fabulous. Like, what happens next week? You know, like, we go back to being a pyramid. When you're featured, it's easier to get to the top of the pyramid. Good job, girls.
Congratulations. Wow, that was another clean sweep. Let's go to Big Head.
Let me get that banana real quick. Thanks. Hey, would you like some banana?
For being a new addition to our team. Girls, do you see what it's like to have somebody that's inspiring and wants to work hard and is there? You know, that's just sorry.
But maybe they're reacting to the way you talk to them. Maybe you should have been more encouraging.
Maybe I should have done a lot of things, but you know what? Maybe I should get it. After a year, her kid won a title. Now, she won that title. Excuse me, ladies. I don't swear in front of children, but you know what? That's what they did. Over the title, over the competition that was holding the title.
Hey, can I borrow that banana?
And you just first in front of our children, and you, yeah.
Hey, Simba.
Nice role model, Abby.
Hey, Simba, do you mind if I just borrow that banana for a sec?
So eager to get rid of people. This
Simba.
entire team has made a commitment.
What's this? Oh, that's a banana. Can I just borrow that? No, is that your banana?
That's right, sweetheart. You walk out that door, keep walking, you're finished. This week has been quite nice without Kelly. Now, if I could just find a way to get rid of Christy. Sorry, I swore. All her first. Girls,
Movie star.
you're dismissed. I'm gonna go have dinner. I have an old friend I saw tonight. I'm so glad you came over here today. That was a nice surprise.
All right, well, let's wrap it up. And I heard that lady saying in the hall, it's time to go.
This season on Dancing Moms. Well, welcome. Thank you. Be grateful that Sophia has joined our group.
Look how thrilled I am.
Everybody wants to be a superstar.
We need to do some sort of initiation. We could put E6000 in her eyelash bowl, and she's wearing eyelashes.
There's some kids on thin ice.
Why you have to do this, I don't understand.
She gets too big for your britches. That's what happens. You are more worried about your friendships with all these women than your own kids, and you know it.
Everybody's your friend.
Get it, Simba. Are you pissed? Simba, are you pissed? Get pissed. Stupid banana.
Hi, I have a child.
What's that banana doing? What's that banana doing? Get the banana. Get the banana. Get the goddamn banana. Get the goddamn banana. Yeah, fuck it up. Yeah. Get the banana. Oh, you're crazy. You're a crazy girl. But where's your banana real quick? Shit. Hey, Simba. Hey, Simba. Hey, yo. Hi, yo. What you got there? What you... Hey, Simba. What you got there? Sorry.
Previously on Dance Moms.
Kelly is not gonna crop that.
No.
Girls, I'm replacing Brooklyn. Who would like to be on this beam of the Ugly Dance Company?
Why just my Kelly back?
I know, that's the point. Girls, where are you? I should be in there doing the video. I don't know where everybody is. There's people staring. What's going on? You're replaced. This competition is
Get it, Simba! Get it! Simba!
This can make you or break you.
So where's our newest addition? Scare away?
Dude, you fucked it up! Oh my god! You are so good! Get the banana! Ow! Shit! Simba! Get the banana!
We're a team, and a team includes Kelly.
Get the banana!
And I think Abby saying, "Oh no, this team is going to include Shelly," that's not what we signed up for. Kelly obviously left for a reason, and she feels that this is.
You're so good. You're so good, Simba. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are.
Why just my Kelly back?
Yes, you are. But hey, can I just take this banana? Here, you want a banana? So, would you like a banana, maybe? Yeah. Yeah. Get the banana.
And the moms walk.
Kill the banana.
They're acting very suspicious.
Right. Not
Good girl.
Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah. Banana. Get the banana. Get the banana.
Basically, the moms and I all decided that
You're such a good girl,
we're
Simba.
not gonna go into the pyramid, and we're just gonna have to stand on it and try and get Kelly back.
Okay, that's 8 minutes.
So, ladies, have you